check me out. This is to my son. You need to know you my angel. Don't listen to your mama. I'll never put you in danger cause I love you. And I mean that from my heart. You can ask your whole family. I've been trying to be there from the start. And I know right now you too small to understand. You can't even comprehend. Just know that God got a plan for us. And he gon' make it right. I've been stressing through the nights cause there's people in my life. Even though I'm doing right in this child support trip. Gotta be supervised for visits. Like, is you serious? I just wanna let you know that I love you without a limit. My love is so strong, it's forgiving and never ending. I will never leave you dry, not even when I die. If you need me, then just call me, I'll be right there by your side. That's a promise, I'm honest. If you want it, you got it. You know I got you regardless, because I'm proud to be your father. Don't believe the lies that all the people tell you. You got my word as your father, I'll never fail you. I love you, boy, and I mean that. That's true facts. You my angel from heaven, yeah, I vouch for that. Don't believe the lies that all the people tell you. You got my word as your father, I'll never fail you. I love you, boy, and I mean that. That's true facts. You my angel from heaven, yeah, I vouch for that. The way I look at you, it's so amazing. God told me he would bless me. Don't stress it and be patient, so I waited. Next thing your mom was pregnant, we were living in conditions where she wouldn't even kiss me. And it wasn't on my fault, cause your mama stayed tripping. No disrespect to her, I'm just trying to give you a vision. I promise, son, I tried my best and I gave my all. But when we ride, somehow it seemed to fall. We lost control of the passionate love that we had. We made you with love, don't ever forget that. I mean that, that's true facts, this real life. Please don't be like me, son, you better think twice. You got opportunities, just explore your mind. You can be what you wanna be, I'll be right behind. Cause I support you in every move you wanna make. Long as you ain't selling drugs or out here trying to catch a case. Cause you better than that, you got so much potential. You full of life, I advise that you make the right decisions. Cause you can do it, don't do no contemplating. Then again, greatness takes patience, so get your life straightened. You're a king, claim your throne, there's no need for hesitating. Show them how we stand tall and proud. If they think you playing, boy, you gon' be just like me. Remember what I'm saying, and I hope you choose a better route, so every day I'm praying. Don't believe the lies that all the people tell you. You got my word as your father, I'll never fail you. I love you, boy, and I mean that. That's true facts. You my angel from heaven, yeah, I vouch for that. Don't believe the lies that all the people tell you. You got my word as your father, I'll never fail you. I love you, boy, and I mean that. That's true facts. You my angel from heaven, yeah, I vouch for that. Every day I watch you grow, I see you getting bigger. My heart hurts, it makes me think about when I was little. So innocent, don't even know what's going on. All you know is that you here and that you not alone. So many people love you, but not like we do. You got my word, me and your mama will never leave you. Don't worry, all the fake people are see through. Just keep your faith in God and close your eyes and let him lead you. Because he got you, that's a promise from my soul. I've been so broken low, with nothing to call my own. No money or no home, no numbers up in my phone. Got up on my knees and prayed when I was in the dark alone. Like, God, help me cause I'm feeling like I'm lost. He say, son, just chill because I got a better route. You know I ain't have a father, my son cannot do without. He say, son, don't question me, your son is your way out. Don't believe the lies that all the people tell you. You got my word as your father, I'll never fail you. I love you, boy, and I mean that. That's true facts. You my angel from heaven, yeah, I vouch for that. Don't believe the lies that all the people tell you. You got my word as your father, I'll never fail you. I love you, boy, and I mean that. That's true facts. You my angel from heaven, yeah, I vouch for that. Yeah, I vouch for that. Hey, Kaden, just want you to know I love you. Don't ever listen to nobody if they tell you that your daddy don't love you, cause he does. And I mean that from my heart. You gon' see, you gon' realize it. I'ma make my point. Don't ever give up on me. Don't ever lose hope in me. Keep your faith in me, because I got you. God got you. Yeah. My baby boy, remember that. December 17, 2014.